So coming to acid hydrolysis of ester, so the hydrolysis of similar the hydrolysis of ester by using acid. So let us suppose take again the ester RCOOR dash. Okay, this is ester. To this ester, acid hydrolysis means presence of acid H plus, hydrolysis water. Okay, in the solution H plus and water. The first step is the oxygen lone pair here is nucleophile. It will take the H plus ion. Okay, so this step is known as what? First step is known as what? Protonation. Protonation means proton gets attached to your oxygen atom. This step is known as protonation. RCOOH positive. If oxygen here donates its electron, so there must be positive charge over oxygen atom. So OH OR dash. So first step, what is first step? Protonation. So in the second step, what we are given here? Water molecule. OHH. This is structure of water. Again here this carbon center is more electron deficient. Del plus is more, as again first of all oxygen is electronegativity atom, and the second case is here is positive charge over oxygen, means more electron deficient. This is electrophilic center. This is nucleophilic center. Oxygen lone pair will attack to this carbon center. What will form? R O, and if it will attack to this carbon center and this bond moves over to oxygen to fill up the vacant orbital electron. So R O H O H H. Water attacked to this center. O H H. As oxygen donates its lone pair of electron, then there must be one positive charge over oxygen. So OH here one bond break and moves over to oxygen. OH here is OH and here is OR dash. OR dash. Okay, all of you got it. And this step is known as what? Nucleophilic addition. Here is nucleophile is water. Just add up to the carbonyl group or this molecule. This step is known as nucleophilic what? Addition. The first step is deprotonation. So protonation. The second step is nucleophilic addition. So in the next step, what will happen in the next step? So here is electron deficient over oxygen atom. So if suppose water molecule, again water molecule present, many moles of water molecules are present in a solution. So again water molecule O, lone pair of electron, take this hydrogen. Okay, take this hydrogen, then this bond moves over to electron deficient oxygen atom. So what it will form? R OH OR dash OH. Water take up the hydrogen, it will form what? H3O plus ion. Okay, and this step is known as this second step. This step is known as third step is known as what? It takes the hydrogen. So that this step is known as what? Hydrogen is proton. So this step is known as what? Deprotonation. Proton relief. Deprotonation, or you can say as proton transfer. What? Proton transfer. As proton transfer from this water molecule to this water molecule. Proton transfer. Third step. So coming to next step. What will be the next step? The next step I am writing here. Reversible. Then the next step, OR dash is a better leaving group. Again the oxygen lone pair comes over to carbon oxygen bond, single bond. OR dash eliminate here. So eliminate or releases. OR dash is a OR dash what? Minus this bond moves over to oxygen. OR dash minus. So this is a leaving group. So this step known as what? 4 number step. This step is known as release of the leaving group. This step also known as elimination step or release of leaving group. Elimination of leaving group. Elimination of leaving group. This step known as elimination of leaving group. What it will form? R carbonyl OH. Okay. So in the next step, here is a oxygen donates its electron pair to carbon oxygen, so there will be positive charge near oxygen and hydrogen is attached to here. So next step what will happen? OR dash here eliminates, so it will be in solution OR dash minus. So OR dash minus, it will take this hydrogen and this bond moves over to electron deficient oxygen atom. So what it will form? RCOOH plus OR dash, take the hydrogen, it will form R dash OH. So this is acid and this is alcohol. This is acid and this is alcohol. So this is the base acid hydrolysis of ester. By acid, here S plus water, acid hydrolysis of ester group, acid hydrolysis of ester to form alcohol and acid. Okay, and this five number step, what is the 5 step called as? It is also same as proton transfer. The proton takes by OR dash minus. This step is known as also proton transfer or deprotonation, you can say. Okay, these are the 5 number of steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Protonation, nucleophilic addition, proton transfer or deprotonation. 4 number step is elimination of living group. 5 number step is proton transfer or deprotonation. These are the 5 steps through which acid hydrolysis of ester occurs. How to synthesis 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol? It depends upon what? R dash OH here is alcohol. Okay, so R dash here, if this R dash, what? It is CH3CH2, then it will what form? It will form what? 1 degree alcohol. If R dash is what? CH3 attached to 2CH2, CH attached to CH2CH2. If CH attached to CH2CH2, it will form 2 degree alcohol. If R dash is C attached to 3CH3 group, this R dash, okay, this R dash as alcohol from this R dash. Okay, if this R dash is carbon atom attached to 3 carbon center, then it will form 3 degree alcohol. So these are the methods through which you can synthesize 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohols by changing R dash in the ester molecule. Okay, all of you get it? So the third method of preparation of alcohol. So the third method of preparation of alcohol is from the reduction. All of you know the reduction. What is reduction? Write in the comment box what is mean by reduction. From the reduction of carbonyl compound. Carbonyl, what is carbonyl? CO group. Carbonyl group, what is the carbonyl? CO group. Reduction of carbonyl group. The carbonyl may be aldehyde, it may be ketone. Okay, so from the we can synthesis alcohols by the reduction of carbonyl group. This is the third method of synthesis of alcohol. Okay, so let us suppose take. So first of all, reduction. Reduction. What do you mean reduction? Reduction means reduce any molecule by addition of electron or by addition of hydrogen. So reduction. So I am going to tell you 2 reagents. Sodium borohydride, NaBH4. Sodium BH4, borohydride, NaBH4, and another reagent lithium aluminum hydride. Here is lithium, here is aluminum, here is hydride. Here is sodium, this is known as sodium borohydride, and this is known as lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, sodium borohydride and lithium borohydride. So these 2 reagents is used as there are other reagents, reducing reagents, which can reduce carbonyl groups, but these 2 reagents can effectively reduce carbonyl group. So sodium borohydride and lithium borohydride, if you compare 2 reducing agents, okay, lithium aluminum hydride is more reactive because lithium ion is more reactive than sodium ion because of its electropositive character and small size. Okay, so you can take either sodium borohydride and lithium borohydride. So let us suppose take in both the reagent, what is the nucleophile here? Sodium borohydride, we can write it as Na plus BH4 hydrogen attached to boron atom, BH4 minus. Okay, and lithium aluminum hydride as lithium plus electropositive metal plus H3 aluminum negative charge over aluminum attached to hydrogen. Here 3 hydrogen, here 1 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen. Okay, so lithium aluminum hydride. So this. So here I want to say what is the nucleophile here? What is the nucleophile here? So here the nucleophile is H minus. All of you know H plus. H plus is what? Proton or hydrogen plus ion. So H minus is known as what? Hydride. What? Hydride. Hydride. H minus is hydride. So H minus ion, this bond moves with H negative charge over hydrogen. H minus ion here is what? Nucleophile. H minus ion is here what? Nucleophile. Let us suppose take one carbonyl compound CS3. This is one what? Aldehyde. This is one what? Aldehyde. To this aldehyde, if will be first reducing agent sodium borohydride you can take, or you can take lithium aluminum hydride. So let us suppose take lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium plus H3 aluminum minus attached to here hydrogen. Here 3 hydrogen, here 1 hydrogen, total 4 hydrogen. So this bond H minus nucleophile, this bond nucleophile attached to electrophile carbon center. Okay, so what it will form? CS3O. If it will attack to carbon center, this bond moves over to oxygen, unidirection push arrow mechanism. CS3O minus H, this is hydride ion attached here, H, O minus, what is the remaining part? Lithium plus H3Al, O minus ionic pair with lithium plus H3Al. Okay, either you can take sodium borohydride or lithium borohydride. Only the hydride minus ion here, hydride ion is here nucleophile. So in the next step, if you just what? Add water molecule. What? Water molecule. Okay, so O minus ion take the hydrogen from water molecule and this bond moves over to oxygen, so it will form CS3. O minus take hydrogen, OH, HS 2HH, H, H. What is the remaining part? Lithium plus H3Al, here is OH minus. So what is the remaining? Lithium plus OH minus, here is OH minus, here is lithium plus H3Al. Okay, you can also write it as lithium aluminum OH H. This is this. So this structure, what is it 1 degree or 2 degree or 3 degree alcohol? This is the carbon atom attached to oxygen is only attached to one carbon or methyl group. So this is known as 1 degree or 2 degree. This is known as 1 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol or primary alcohol. Okay, this is the way to synthesize primary alcohol by taking starting material here is aldehyde. Let us suppose take instead of aldehyde, let us take ketone. Ketone here, this structure is also known as acetone. Ketone is this ketone is known as acetone. So to this acetone similarly, in similar way, if you give sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride, so again similar like previous reaction, lithium plus H3Al minus H hydride minus attack carbonyl, this bond moves over to oxygen, CS3O minus lithium plus H3 Al negative. So here is CH3, here is hydride ion attacked here, nucleophilic. So in the next step, addition of what? Water. O minus here is O minus. It will take hydrogen from water. This one moves over to oxygen. Then what is it formed? CH3 OH CH3H plus lithium aluminum remaining part OH H. This structure, the carbon atom attached to oxygen is get attached to two carbon or methyl center. This is known as 2-degree alcohol or 2-degree alcohol or secondary alcohol. Okay, your synthesis primary alcohol from aldehyde, secondary alcohol from ketone. Okay, let us suppose take another example. This structure is known as what? Cyclohexane, and this structure cyclohexanone. ONE carbonyl group, functional group ONE, we can IUPAC name ONE. So this structure is known as cyclohexanone. This is cyclohexane, this is carbonyl ONE group, cyclohexanone. To this cyclohexane, we can write in the single step. In the first, I have written, just see, 1 dot lithium aluminum hydride. That means in the first step, reduction of carbonyl group takes place by using lithium aluminum hydride as a reducing agent. So in the second step, its water molecule also, water H plus also you can write. So in the second step, water addition takes place in presence of acid. So in the first step, lithium aluminum hydride, if in the exam if the question comes like this, so in the first step 1, 2 written, first 1 and this is 2. In the first step, what you have to do? In the first step, just erase this one. Then the first step, lithium aluminum hydride, what will form? O minus lithium aluminum H3 and H. This is the first step. And mechanism I have told before, just before. So in the second step, water O minus, take the hydrogen from here. Here it will form what? OH, H, and the remaining part is lithium aluminum H3OH. So this carbon, this alcohol is known as 1 degree or 2 degree. The carbon atom attached to O oxygen is also attached to 2 carbon center. Nearby which number carbon center? 1 and 2. So this is secondary alcohol or 2-degree alcohol. This is an example I have taken here. So coming to the fourth method of synthesis of alcohol. What is the 4 number method? How to synthesize alcohol? From the we reduce aldehyde and ketone, we get alcohols 1 degree and 2 degree specifically. So if you reduce carboxylic acid, which acid? Carboxylic acid. If you reduce carboxylic acid, so from reduction of carboxylic acid, similar reducing agents, but here only reducing agent can reduce carboxylic acid is lithium aluminum hydride, not sodium borohydride. Not sodium borohydride. I have just before told you lithium aluminum hydride is more reactive than sodium borohydride. Why? Lithium ion is small size and electropositive is high. It effectively, and due to small size, it can effectively go and attack to the carbonyl center. As sodium atom is large in size, it has less reactivity to attack to carbonyl group. So in carboxylic acid particularly, we use here lithium aluminum hydride, not sodium borohydride. Okay. So from the reduction of carboxylic acid to synthesize, if you reduce the carboxylic acid by using lithium aluminum hydride, what it will form? If you reduce the carboxylic acid, it will form 1 degree alcohol. Okay, which alcohol? 1 degree, not a 2 degree, not a 3 degree alcohol. Okay, how? By seeing the mechanism we can understand. So if you reduce the carboxylic acid, so reducing agent, what is the reducing agent we are using here? Reducing agent sodium borohydride, not lithium aluminum hydride. What? Lithium lithium aluminum hydride, not sodium borohydride. So let's see the reaction mechanism. What is the mechanism behind it? So let us suppose take any carboxylic acid RCOS. This is the carboxylic acid. Okay, to this carboxylic acid, let us suppose give lithium aluminum hydride, lithium aluminum H3, lithium positive, aluminum minus, H. Hydrogen here is nucleophile, H minus. This bond moves, H minus attack to carbon center. This bond moves over to oxygen. So RCO minus, hydride attached to here. Here is OH. This is the first O minus. Negative positive pair is what? Lithium plus aluminum H3. So this is the transition state. So in the next step what will happen? Here is O minus. Okay, if you gives little amount of heat or 100 to 250 degrees Celsius, if you give little amount of heat, triangle symbol for heat. Okay, if you give heat the reaction, the negative charge comes over to carbon oxygen single bond, OH, this bond moves over to oxygen atom, OH leaves eliminate as a living group, but OH is not a good living group. So but as we are given heat here, to proceed the reaction we have to give heat, as OH is not a good living group. So you heat the reaction, OH releases as a living group, what it will form? R carbonyl H. Okay, so this is aldehyde. After that, what will happen after that? Here is 1 mole of lithium aluminum hydride we are given. To reduce aldehyde to again to alcohol, so you have to give another mole of lithium aluminum hydride. So if you give again lithium plus H3Al minus hydride, H minus here hydride is nucleophile attacked to carbonyl, O minus moves, the bond moves to oxygen, O minus H, O minus is charge balanced by lithium plus Al H3. So this is the again the transition step. Here is 1 mole of lithium aluminum hydride used for reduction of acid to aldehyde. Next mole of lithium aluminum hydride is used to reduce aldehyde to, this will happen, alcohol. Okay, if you give water, addition water, HOH, the negative charge take up the hydrogen, OH minus releases here. So what will form? R OH H. So which structure is this? Primary or secondary or tertiary alcohol? The carbon atom attached to oxygen is get attached to only 1 R. So this is 1 degree alcohol or primary alcohol. So that is why I told you that from the reduction of carboxylic acid it will form 1 degree alcohol, not 2 degree nor 3 degree, by using reducing reagent lithium aluminum hydride. It's lithium aluminum hydride. How many moles of lithium aluminum hydride takes place here? 2 moles of lithium aluminum hydride we have used here. Okay, all of you understand? Number 5. Coming to number 5, methods of synthesis. 5 methods of synthesis of what? Alcohol. What is the 5 number method? Synthesis of alcohol. So what is the 5 number method? By reducing what? By reducing ester. What? By reducing ester. So what is the reducing reagent here? Lithium aluminum hydride, as it is more reactive. So reducing agent is lithium aluminum hydride to reduce ester to form what? Alcohol. Like similarly, ester only produce, like carboxylic acid, ester only produce 1 degree alcohol. What? 1 degree alcohol, not 2 degree, not 3 degree alcohol. Okay, only for produce 1 degree alcohol by reduce with lithium aluminum hydride. So let's see the mechanism. So any ester RCOO R. This is the general formula of ester. To this ester, reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium plus H3Al minus H. Hydride minus nucleophile attack to electrophilic carbon center of carbonyl. This bond moves over to electronegativity oxygen atom. O minus, it is charge balanced by lithium plus aluminum H3. Here OR dash. Here hydride attached to this carbon, so H. This is the transition state. In the next step, the negative charge OR dash is a better leaving group. Yes, of course, the negative charge comes over to this bond. OR dash leaves as a leaving group. OR dash minus is as a leaving group. Elimination of leaving group. So in the next step, what will form? R carbonyl H. From ester, in the first step, by using lithium aluminum hydride, 1 mole of lithium aluminum hydride, we get aldehyde. In the second step, if you give again another mole of lithium aluminum hydride, let's suppose take lithium aluminum hydride, nucleophile hydride minus attack to carbonyl, this bond moves over to oxygen, RO minus balanced by lithium plus aluminum H3 attached to hydrogen, hydride ion attached to carbon center. This is again the transition state in the two, another by using another mole of lithium aluminum hydride. When we give addition of water, the negative charge of oxygen take the hydrogen from water molecule, this bond moves over to oxygen, and what it will form? RO H H H, and what is the remaining part? Lithium aluminum OH H3. Okay, this is 1 degree or 2 degree or 3 degree alcohol. This is 1 degree alcohol. So that is why I told you. Similarly, in case of acid, by reducing acid, we got alcohol by using 2 moles of lithium aluminum hydride. Similar in the case of ester, if you reduce by using one mole of lithium aluminum hydride here and the second mole of lithium aluminum hydride here, to by using 2 moles of lithium aluminum hydride, we reduce the ester to produce. This is 1 degree alcohol, because the carbon atom attached to oxygen, it gets attached to only one CH. This is 1 degree or primary alcohol. Okay, all of you got it? So these are the 5 methods of synthesis. These are the 5 methods of synthesis of alcohol by using different reagents. Thank you.